Welcome to section 3 of ChatGPT for authors. In this session, we are going to look at ChatGPT as a tool, and we are going to see how we can get signed up and navigate the platform. So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a large language model trained by OpenAI that is capable of generating human-like text. ChatGPT is owned by OpenAI. That is the name of the company that owns ChatGPT. And it's created in such a way that it's conversational. You chat with it and it gives you responses in form of text. So you can ask it a question and it will respond with text. You can ask it to do something and it will respond with text. So you can use it for different use cases, which we are going to see ahead in this video. ChatGPT has been trained on a large data set by the company. A lot of information has been fed into the tool through regular training, which allows it to understand and generate human-like text. ChatGPT is made for humans to create text and information for humans. So it was trained in such a way that it can respond in like manner as human will respond. You'll get to see it as we put it into practical use. It has the ability to generate text that is coherent and fluent. It writes as a human will write. It has memory. Your conversation continues from where you start. It does not go off key in the conversation that you have. ChatGPT was released on November 30, 2022, and it has been in use. There are several versions of ChatGPT. There's a January 30th version, and of course, by the time you're watching this video, another version will be out. ChatGPT is free to use. However, there is also ChatGPT Plus, which is the premium version, and will charge money for you to use it. Whether you are using the free or using the paid version, they give you the same result. The paid version has more usability and more features. For this training and in this course, we are going to use the free tool, and it will be able to do what we desire it to do, to write a complete book that we can sell and will represent our thoughts. In what ways can we use ChatGPT? We can use it for natural language processing tasks. You speak to it and it will give you response naturally. The responses is going to give you a natural, as if you're talking to a human being like yourself. It will also be used for automated content generation. So you ask him to write an email, it will come up with an email. You ask it to write a book title, it will come up with a book title. You ask it to do mathematical function, it will come up with mathematical function. You can also use ChatGPT to create chatbots and also use it as conversational agent. You can also use it to create a chatbot on its own. You can use chatbot to create code, to write codes, Java, JavaScript, Python, different types of code to create websites, to create apps, to create different functionalities that requires coding. You can also use it for text classification and sentiment analysis. It's so versatile for this function. It can be also used for language understanding for applications. You can use ChatGPT for automated text-based customer support. You can use that API in your company website or otherwise to create text-based customer support responses. You can also use it for your personalized language generation tool. And let me say that ChatGPT has the capacity to write or translate other languages also. Now, how do you access ChatGPT? ChatGPT can be accessed when you type in this URL, https://chat.openai.com. When you type this into your browser, it will take you to the web page where you can sign up and also use the tool. In this course, we are also going to use an additional tool, which is also owned by OpenAI, so that we can have the best of our book writing experience. This tool is called Playground. It's a sister tool to ChatGPT. Playground can be found at https://beta.openai.com/playground. When you type this into your browser, it will take you to the interface where you can also create conversational responses when you use these tools. When you sign up for ChatGPT, it gives you automatic access to Playground because they are on the same platform owned by the same organization. So we are going to go to the browser to see how these tools can be used for what we desire to use it for. But first, we are going to sign up for ChatGPT. So we'll get to our browser to get this done for us.